Good morning everyone. Here is our second assignment. I am Dibya Jyoti Bharali from Bharali Engineering College, Karimganj. Now, as you can see in the program, we import the history library which starts from NumPy numerical array which is response numerical operations followed by pandas. Then CV2 is composition, then operating system followed by the random, then SYS which is stands for system, then matplot library pilot, and lastly the matplot library import as a MP mesh. Now move to the next part. Now move to the next part, which is initializing mean and the variance of image. This is the code of the initializing mean and variance of the images. Here firstly we define and a function by the name of initialize background. Now initialize background we define as the mean and variance of the images. Now we move to the third part, which is classify images foreground and the background pixel using a sieve by sieve inequality based classifier. So this is the code of this topic. Now we write the two functions formula of foreground and background. We use the booting. For booting, as we can see, after finding out the booting, we update the mean and variance. Image using a weighted average scheme. Weighted average scheme. Which is done at the block number 5. This is the block number 5, and this is the code of the weighted average schemes. Now we come to the main part, which is functions for background subtractions. Background subtractions. This is the main part of this assignment. This is the code of the function of the background subtractions. We have done in the block in the highlighted code. This is the block 6, and this is the code of the background subtractions as I highlighted. As we can see here, we have find out the mean and variance from the initialized background which is defined earlier. Now we apply the booting, and lastly image, that is the computer vision. This is the computer vision. Now comes to the real part vision. Seen here the lambda is same. As 0.7, and it here also same. So here we can see the images and all the things and all the same things which all the remaining images, that is the background of the images. This is the background of the images, and all the remaining images is same, and we get the proper image. So thank you. Goodbye.